Boy Smells has decided to send me over another fragrance, and this is their brand new scent called Solar Drip. Is it gonna focus? Hey, there we go. It's called Solar Drip. Now, this was launched last month in January of 2026, and I'm very excited. Now, you guys remember the last one we talked about from them was their coconut perfume, right? Wasn't too fond of that one. My mom actually really loved it, so she has that now. But also want to throw that out there that just because you speak your mind on a product and say that you don't like something, because everybody has different opinions on stuff, does not mean that the brands will not still send you something just because you don't like one thing or a couple things from them. So why these bigger influencers are out here lying and trying to say something smells completely different than it does, or saying that something works when it really doesn't, I have no idea, because we've done nothing but speak my mind on this channel. And many of the brands that still send me stuff, I've claimed on fragrances, they smell horrible, so it just blows my mind. I had to throw that out there. I love calling people out, and so let's get on to it. All right, so let's dive in. This little 10 milliliter right here is $30. Okay, and the 50 milliliter, the full size bottle is, hold on, let it load, 78. Ooh, $78. So she better be good. Okay. Now this is supposed to be a citrus and fresh scent. So I'm hoping, because hold on, listen to the notes real quick. Smells like orange blossoms, worn linen, and solar musks. I just hope it doesn't smell like laundry and laundry detergent. Okay. This is so cute. Their little bottles are adorable. Oh my God. Oh wait, focus. Oh, how cute is that? I love it. Their half and half little signature look is just, it's so sweet. All right, and it says it feels like an otherworldly escape. Right. Okay, let's dive in. We have no time to waste. Okay, it does have a top on it. All right. Okay. This spray's okay. It's a very tiny spray. I'm not really liking that. Wait. Oh. Oh. Hold on, wait. She is citrusy. It almost has like a fresh laundry scent. Like it's there a little bit, but it's like a musky, citrusy laundry. It's good. It is very fresh. I'm gonna let this dry for a minute to see if it changes at all, but well, let's see. Okay, I let it dry down and I'm really liking this, and I've never done this before, but I'm gonna have this on record real quick and run down with my microphone and get my mom's opinion, because she doesn't like, being on social media, so we're just gonna get her voice and see what she thinks about it. But I love it, and then I'll tell you guys what I really think. Oh, it's my microphone. Smell this. What do you think it smells like?
It smells good. It reminds me of this perfume I used to get all the time called Exclamation. I like it.
It almost smells like a expensive laundry detergent. Like
It's got
fresh.
vanilla in it.
No.
Yeah, I feel like it's got vanilla in that.
It was like citrus, like orange blossom, solar musk, and one other thing or
Solar
something.
musk.
Yeah, I don't know. It's like, it smells so good though. I love it.
Yeah, I like it.
So to her, she said it smells like this perfume that she used to get all the time, which I don't remember seeing it or smelling it, but she said it's called Exclamation. I have no idea. And then she was like, it smells like it has vanilla in it. But personally, I don't get vanilla. It smells like expensive laundry detergent to me, like a citrusy, floral, musky laundry detergent, but it's bright and sunny, and it's really, really good. It's not super citrusy like lemon citrusy or like a super zing, you know what I mean? But it is like a citrusy floral. It's so beautiful, so bright and sunny. This definitely makes up for Coco, the Coco Dream, or whatever it was called. Didn't like it, so I don't remember the name. Now down to the nitty gritty, okay? As far as projection and longevity goes, obviously I can't speak on longevity because, this is my first impressions, my first time trying it, right? But if it's anything like that last perfume one we tried, the coconut, whatever the world it was, right? If it's anything like that, the coconut one, it lasted all day almost. I could not get rid of that stinky perfume, okay? Nasty. So if it's anything like that, hopefully it does last all day. Would love that. But as far as projection goes, this is not something that is going to fill up a room, but it's also not something that is like one of those super close, intimate fragrances where you would only smell it when you're hugging somebody or very close. If you are like, walking around, like you smell it in the walk by air. It's a nice little scent bubble. It's not super strong, not super projecting. It's nice. It's like a expensive laundry detergent, like your clothes had like perfumed laundry detergent. I don't know. I love it. It's bright, it's sunny, it's citrusy, amazing for spring and summer ahead. 10 out of 10, will say. So, yeah, well, final thoughts 10 out of 10. I love this. I think it is so good. Makes up for the coconut one, and I'm excited to see what else they got. They're making up for some of the past ones. The cherry one was not a fan of, the coconut one was not a fan of. I can't remember if there was another one or not. I know we tried another body mist, but that was pretty decent. Yeah. Either way, I love you guys so much. Let me know if you've tried this or if you are willing to try it, and I will see you in the next video. Love you. Bye.